coding challenge. So this is going to be a very short video explaining how to use this application and code all the questions and get it done. So this is the landing page. So this is going to explain what are the rules of the competition and what are things that you need to read before getting started. I seriously recommend everyone to go through this before getting started. Hoping everyone has read this and we're ready for the competition. You can click on this. So you'll be presented with a login screen. I'm hoping you're the first time user. You won't have a registration code to log in. So click on register and you can enter your informations here. Just key in an email address that you have access to. So what's going to happen is it's going to go and forget about the error screen. It's going to create a login for you and it'll email it to you. So I just got my email. So I'm going to now log in here. Okay, so you're logged in and you'll be presented with a set of questions that you have. So this is all sample questions. The questions in the actual exam will change. So you can click and navigate between questions by clicking on the tab, on the tabs that you see in the top. You can always log out from the application clicking here. So just walking through the format, the number of points that you get for each question is printed here. This is the title of the question, complexity level, problem statement. Here are some sample outputs. Like if I give this as an input, this is my output. So multiple things. You can always click on hint and see, okay, what are things to do, not do. And in this case, you're not supposed to use the reverse method. If you use the reverse method, it will catch you and it will not allow you to submit. So that is also built in. So the important thing which I want to highlight here is do not change the signature of the method or the class. You can go and type in anything that you want here. It doesn't matter, but do not change the parameters or the methods that you see here. So that's it. Let's pick something and then try it out. Okay, let's try this one, length of the string. So this is a 3-point question. This complex level easy. And as you can see very clearly, it says do not lose string.length function to determine the count. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use string.length and you'll see the error. Then we'll give the program and we'll let it through, right? So this provides a basic auto completion feature. So you will be able to do everything here. When you type in the code and you submit a code, it'll run a compile. So if your program is having a compilation error, it'll be shown right here. And then you can submit a code, it'll run the test cases. If anything fails, that's also displayed here. Once everything is successful, you'll get a success message. So let's go through it now. So in this case, I'm just going to use a string.length. And as you can see, it shows instantly that you have used a reserved word. So just to save some time, I already typed this program. So I'm going to just copy paste this here. Okay, so let's deliberately make a compilation error and see what happens. So now it's starting to compile and you can see immediately there's a compilation failure and there's a semicolon missing here. It shows it right there. And now let's make a mistake, always return 3 and see what happens. So the compilation has passed, but the test cases has failed. So it says, okay, this is my input. I'm expecting 13 as my output, but I got 3, so which is a failure. So let's fix this and run it now. Okay, so now everything passed, and this is your total execution time for running all the 5 test cases that you saw in the previous thing, and it will be submitted to server. So whenever you complete this, you get the 3 points. So whenever you complete a program and you get a success message, you get that many number of points in your account. So whoever gets the maximum points wins. If there's a tie, whoever does the whole stuff in a minimum execution time wins the competition. All the very best. Have fun.